Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today, we'll show you how to hide any shipping methods based on different shipping address values, like country, state, using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Shipping Country. And select Hide if found. Here I have selected the country Canada. Again, click on the Add a New Condition button. And select Province/State Code. And select Hide if found. Here I have selected the province Toronto, and its code is ON. Give it a rule name. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. I have selected Standard Shipping. If you don't see your desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. If you want to hide the above selected shipping options for some certain countries, just select the country from the Country field. Or if you want to show the above selected shipping options only for some certain countries, just select Hide if not found from here. Other fields are similar, like country, state codes fields. For the state codes option, you should not add the full name of the states. Instead, add the state code, like ON for Toronto. Finally, click on the Save button. Go to the Checkout page. As you can see, the location is USA, which is why the standard shipping option is visible. Let's change the location to Canada and check it now. Now you can see that the standard shipping option is gone. I hope you are super clear. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!